Here I have an avocado adventure game created with natural language programming, with GitHub Copilot, and Visual Studio Code. But I want to use my own avocado graphic inside the game and make other changes. How do I make changes inside this game? In Visual Studio Code, inside my project folder, Avocado Adventure, I have an index.html page. I need to add some images to use in the game. Here I have an avocado that I want to use in my game. I'll drag this PNG into my folder. It's important to note that this is a transparent PNG. If you want to see how to make a transparent PNG, look at the video linked in the description. Now I have avocado PNG inside my folder. Often it's a good idea to make folders to organize your work. In this case, I'll click the new folder icon and make a folder called IMG. Then I'll put avocado.png inside IMG. Here you can see that it's now nested. In the GitHub Copilot prompt window, I'll say replace the avocado player in the game with the avocado.png in the IMG folder. I'll send this to GitHub Copilot, and now it will look at the different parts of the project and replace that image. Here we can see at the top, it's created a new variable, avocado image, and then it's telling the source of that image is our avocado PNG. We can go ahead and preview these changes. If we preview the changes, we can see that our avocado image is now used instead of the one generated by GitHub Copilot. We can also change the size. And once again, we can see where the changes are going to occur. And then we can even change our own size to make it even larger if we choose. First, let's preview. Now the avocado is larger, but I think I want it to be even larger. Now I have an avocado that seems to be a good size for my game. Once you're happy with the changes that you've made, select Keep, then go to Source Control and type in a commit message. In this case, it will be added avocado image for player, commit, and then sync the changes. Now you'll be able to see these changes on your live web page on your server. Continue to make changes to your game, maybe replace the avocado seeds. Happy coding!